Batanes, a picturesque province at the Philippines' northern tip. It's a place where nature's majesty seamlessly blends with the rich cultural heritage, known as the home of the winds. This hidden gem beckons us with lush landscapes, unique traditions, and unwavering warmth of its people. Here, every hill whispers tales of the past, and every shoreline is a testament to the enduring spirits of the Batanes, the indigenous inhabitants. This comprehensive guide invites you on a journey to discover the unparalleled beauty, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences that makes Batanes a must-visit destination. From the breathtaking vistas of Batan to the serene beaches of Sabtang and the rugged charm of Itbayat, prepare to embark on an adventure that captivates both the heart and soul. The heart of Batanes, exploring the enchanting islands. Batan Island, a tapestry of nature and tradition. Batan, the key island in Batanes, offers a mesmerizing mix of scenic beauty and cultural richness. North and South Batan, with their rolling hills, historic lighthouses, and traditional stone houses, present a landscape straight out of a dream. Whether cycling through verdant path, motorbiking along rugged trails, or leisurely tricycling, each journey here promises a view more picturesque than the last. Sabtang Island, a step back in time. A short boat ride from Batan, Sabtang Island awaits, a serene escape from the modern world. Here, time seems to stand still in the traditional Batan village, where stone houses with thatched roofs dot the landscape. The island's white sand beaches, contrasted with its dramatic rock formations, create a sense of peace and solitude. Sabtang is not just a place to visit, it's a world to be experienced. Itbayat Island, the untamed frontier. For the more adventurous, Itbayat, the province's largest and most remote island, offers a rugged landscape shaped by forces of nature. Its terrain, challenging yet awe-inspiring, is a testament to the resilience of both the land and its people. Here, the beauty lies in its raw, untamed character, offering a glimpse into a way of life governed by the elements. Immersive cultural experiences. The Vakul and Kanayi, symbols of resilience. In Batanes, the traditional Batan garments, the Vakul for women and Kanayi for men, are not mere clothing but symbols of resilience. Crafted from indigenous materials, these garments are designed to protect against the often harsh weather, epitomizing the Batan's harmonious relationship with their environment. Bayanihan spirit, the community's heartbeat. The Batan culture is deeply rooted in community and cooperation, best exemplified by Bayanihan spirit. This age-old tradition of mutual help and community cooperation is more than a practice, it's a way of life. Whether in building traditional stone houses or in communal farming, the Bayanihan spirit is a testament to the collective strength and unity of the Batan people. Honesty system, a trust-based tradition. Perhaps, the most endearing aspect of Batan culture is their honesty system, emblematic of the trust and integrity that define the community. In these honesty shops, goods are left unattended, and buyers are trusted to leave their correct payment. This system is not just about commerce, it's a reflection of the values that pervade the Batan way of life. Savoring the local flavors. The culinary landscape of Batanes is as diverse as its scenery. Here, food is a celebration of both land and sea. The local delicacy, coconut crab, is a must-try, known for its rich flavor and unique texture. Flying fish, another staple, reflects the island's deep connection with the surrounding waters. On the land, turmeric rice and lunyis, or salted pork, offer a taste of the Batan's culinary tradition. Each meal in Batanes is not just nourishment, it's a story of the island and its people. Travel practicalities. Journeying to Batanes. Reaching this remote paradise requires planning. Flights to Basco, the provincial capital, are available from major cities like Manila, Clark, and Tuguegarao. While these flights can be a bit pricey, keeping an eye out for promo fares can make the journey more affordable. Alternatively, joining a package tour can offer a hassle-free way to explore Batanes, often including airfare, accommodation, and guided tours. Budgeting and accommodations. Accommodation options. Comfort for every budget. Accommodation in Batanes cater a range of budget and preferences. Homestays offering a cozy and authentic experience start at around 500 pesos per night. For those seeking more comfort, hotels and lodges are available, with prices going up to 3,000 pesos per night. Each option provides a different perspective on Ivatan hospitality and culture. Getting around Batanes offers its own adventure. Renting a bike, motorcycle, or tricycle ranges from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos per day. Perfect for those who prefer independent exploration. Group tours costing 1,000 to 2,000 pesos per day offer a more structured way to see the islands, often including guides who provide deeper insights into the local culture and history. Dining and expenses, a taste of Ivatan life. Dining in Batanes is surprisingly affordable, with meals typically costing between 100 to 300 pesos per person. The cuisine, a blend of traditional Ivatan dishes and influences from the sea, offers a gastronomic experience unique to the islands. For souvenirs and snacks, don't miss the Honesty Shop, a unique cultural experience where you pay what you get without a cashier. When to visit. Choosing the perfect season. Batanes is beautiful year-round, but each season offers a different experience. The dry season, from March to June, is ideal for those who prefer sunny skies and calm seas. The landscapes are at their most vibrant during this time, and outdoor activities are plentiful. For those who don't mind a bit of rain and wish to experience Batanes in a different light, the cold and rainy season from November to February provides a dramatic backdrop with strong winds and rough seas. This season also tends to be less crowded, offering a more intimate experience with the islands. Embracing the magic of Batanes. Batanes is more than just a travel destination. It's a journey into a world where nature and culture intertwine seamlessly. From the breathtaking landscapes to the rich cultural tapestry and the simple yet profound joys of Ivatan life, Batanes offers an experience that stays with you long after you leave. Whether you're seeking adventure, cultural immersion, or just a peaceful escape, Batanes welcomes you with open arms and a promise of memories that will last a lifetime. If you find this video helpful and interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe to Destination Zen for more amazing and informative travel facts.